In the last 24 hours, Donald Trump has held separate calls with Vladimir Putin and Volodymyr Zelensky. But it's worth revisiting what's happened between these three leaders over the course of the last few weeks. Earlier this month, the US and Ukraine agreed to propose a 30-day ceasefire to Russia. While Putin said that he supported a ceasefire, he also set out a list of tough conditions for achieving peace. But this would only be temporary. The ultimate goal for each of the key players is lasting peace, or so they say. Though united in vision, their demands remain at odds, as has been laid bare by the high-wire diplomacy of recent weeks. Over the next few posts, we'll take you through who wants what and what they might be willing to accept. Stay with us. We're getting more details on the call between Trump and Zelensky from White House. Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt, referring to a statement from Secretary of State Marco Rubio and National Security Advisor Mike Waltz. Leavitt says Trump and Zelensky had a fantastic conversation. She says Zelensky thanked the US for its support, particularly for Javelin missiles, and that lasting peace under President Trump's leadership can be achieved. The two men also discussed the fighting in Kursk, with Zelensky also requesting more air defense resources. A technical meeting is expected soon, with a view towards a wider ceasefire on the Black Sea. Trump also reportedly said that American ownership of Ukrainian energy infrastructure could help the country. Much of the briefing thus far has focused on US immigration policies and domestic issues, particularly the legal wrangling over deportation flights.